Racing just is started. We have Material Ruler. First to show quickness at the start. Moving up now on the outside is Dinara. Santrofe is down on the inside. And on the outside comes Admiral Contender. Lucky Lorky comes next. Paminsan Minsan, while Diamond Lover is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have Dinara by about 4 lengths. And in second is Material Ruler. Santrofe is down on the inside third, and on the outside fourth comes Admiral Contender to take third. Then next online Paminsan Minsan, Lucky Lorky, while Diamond Lover is still running at the tail of the field. Back to the leader, we have Dinara by a length and a half. Material Ruler in second, then here comes Admiral Contender moving up down the inside. Paminsan Minsan, Lucky Lorky, Santrofe, while Diamond Lover is still running at the tail of the field. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Dinara by only a length. Moving up now on the outside is Admiral Contender down on the inside. And as they swing for him, Admiral Contender is down on the inside. Dinara in the middle. And on the outside is Material Ruler. Material Ruler, Admiral Contender, Material Ruler is on the outside, and finally it's a close finish. Material Ruler, Admiral Contender, Paminsan Minsan took third. Then comes Dinara and Lucky Lorky.
Iyon. Medyo hirap.
Yep.